Welcome to another episode of Molo TV. Now, in this episode, I want us to look at SARS audits, especially VAT audits. Now, time and again, if a business is registered for VAT, especially, you can be sure that SARS will regularly need inspecting your records to make sure that you are correctly filing your VAT returns and paying the right amount. In most cases, they only choose business. However, in my experience, each time a business must receive refund from SARS, it is likely to be audited. You can almost be sure about that. Now, the fact that there are often refunds under the VAT system and that it's self-assessed by the business makes it tempting for vendors to overstate their input tax or to understate their output tax. SARS therefore places immense importance on finding the high-risk cases, conducting regular compliance visits, and promoting a high level of visibility of auditors in their field. You do not have to be frightened by audits if your books are in order and you have all the right paperwork to show SARS. They will usually give you 10 to 21 days to provide them with supporting documents for the audit, which is usually invoices and reconciliation used to come out to the result of your submission. Now, I want you to keep in mind the following before for you to be able to have a stress-free audit. 1. Honestly. Now, the first rule when you deal with SARS is always to be honest in your dealings with them, as you'll be caught eventually. Consider if it is not difficult for the receiver to catch you, because every transaction will always have two sides to it, and will leave traces, be it another client or banks or something, because in anything you deal with, there will always be two sides of it. So if they cannot find it from you, they can find it from the other side. Second one, supporting documents. Make sure that all supporting documents, you file them. Basically, invoices, bank statement, whatever you have. Always make sure that you have, those supporting documents filed and available. Third one, just simply be humble. Be humble to ask when you are not certain what SARS require. The fact that you are asking, it doesn't mean you're stupid. It just means you want to be sure of what you are doing. Anything that you're not sure about, just get clarity. Fourth, additional supporting information. Now, you need to provide any workings or reconciliation which show how you derive your VAT refund or your VAT payable. You must always be ready to provide that, because you will work out some additional workings that this is how I came about. Be able to give them that information, that extra information. Then the fifth one, agency. Make sure that you urgently provide the requested document and not wait for the last day of submission. The earlier the better, as it gives you a chance to consult and look for all the documents. So the moment they require it, just provide them. Get on it immediately. And the sixth one, it's the more the merrier. Now, feel free to provide any additional documents you deem necessary when uncertain. It is always better to provide extra supporting document to avoid SARS requesting more document. So just give them any document. Seventh one, be calm. It's not uncommon for SARS to request an audit, since they usually do routine audits for every business. The request for an audit does not mean you are wrong, but SARS just want to verify. You do not have to lose sleep unless you've been defaulting SARS. But just be calm. It happens to every business, at one point. Then the last one, I suppose I'll be more supportive of this last one, since I'm an accountant myself. Accountant, it's always a good idea to have your accountant to assist you when SARS requests an audit, as they will be able to provide adequate response to SARS and provide the right supporting documents so that this process is less painful. Now, with the following and keeping the above in mind, there should not have been any reason why your business should fail an audit or an audit and have to pay penalties and interest to SARS. Thank you so much for this episode. If you have any question, please write in the comment, or contact our office at 01846 or email us at info@moloconsulting.com. Thank you very much. Thanks.